Y'all smell that? Mmm. Shit. Girl, come here, but not too close. Girl, that's you. Yo pussy stink. Mm-hmm. I'm sorry to tell you, but you a little right. Girl. Do you know your pussy stink? You got to. Do you know why your pussy stink? Turn around and ask that mate. Mm-hmm. Did he hydrate with water today? Or is he filled with waste and distaste? Because he looked like it. You know, he looked like he drank a lot of sodas. You know, soda's not that good for you. Whiff again. Is he clean or is he rank? Do you wash and still can't get rid of that faint? The faint smell of another woman's pussycat in between your legs? That's why your pussy stink. Turn around. Look at your mate. He don't look too clean. Do you know why he stink? When you look at him, do you see hate? Hate that he don't love, protect, stay, and bank? He don't do it. That's why your pussy stink, girl. Turn around and look at your mate. If you don't see none of that, then bitch, come here. You gotta get checked out. Because, girl, you stink. That's awful. That's real awful.